grab that end of that.
Yeah.
Or to paint it.
Right neon orange.
I got a flag in there. I might put a flag on it. I hate somebody to run to it. Iron tires up a little bit. Maybe.
Yeah, one right there looks a little flat.
Yeah. It pulls better on the sand than it does on the.
Oh, does it?
Oh yeah. Here, tote it and see what you think. Especially for all the junk you got on there. Probably a little bit of air out of the tires. It might pull a little bit. Might pull better.
Watch what size tires you get, because
And I made his handles wide enough. 2 people get a hold of it. If you had a load, I get it. That beats the heck out of. That beats the heck out of pulling it with like we did last year. I mean, I was.
Well, that's what I was telling Briley earlier. We came with my mom, my sister, and my brother-in-law last year.
You got all kinds of junk.
Yeah, but this one was a little caddy wagon. I was basically just dragging it through the sand.
Yeah. Because the wheels are not rolling. No.
Oh, it works pretty good. Was it dragging?
Good? Okay. We'll have cheese inside and tomato sauce. Audrey actually enjoyed swimming in the ocean today. She was scared of it. That was fun.
I want to give you guys an update on our beach cart. I just got off the beach. We've used it 3 times so far, and it's been well worth its weight in gold. So I was able to take all my fishing gear, a cooler, 2 beach chairs, a canopy. So we got the 2 swimmers, a canopy, beach chair for the kids, beach chair for the wife. Then we have beach bag, slam full of stuff. That thing probably weighs 50 pounds. And then I got a blanket, which got soaking wet. I got a cooler here. It's got drinks and stuff in it, so it's got ice and water. Got a tackle bag. Then I've got 3 poles. And so the tires, they probably got 4 pounds of air in them. I felt like if they had any less, that it was harder to pull. And real powdery sand's what we've been going through, so more difficult to pull when it's real powdery. Well, if the kids try to get on there, it's harder to pull in powdery sand. But even loaded down like I had it, it's not so bad. It's a lot easier than pulling the narrow wheel tire wagon like I've been pulling last year. And so I wanted to show you my handle. I don't think it was on the last video. So I just used a 1/2-inch T, pipe T, and I took the aluminum conduit that I used for the axle and threaded 2 pieces on the end and threaded this piece and made my T, and then had my dad weld a brace in here. and then it's got pins. Just undo these pins and the handle comes out. And then we'll take that tire off and put it on the truck. Take this tire off, that way we don't drag it on an asphalt or the ditch. And then we went and put a narrow strip sticker for fish measurements on here. And so it's been good. Good?
Yep.
Can you see me?
Yeah.
I'm going to show you how to put this on the truck real quick. So that's it. And just put these strings on the pins so we don't forget them. It's gotten pretty dirty, so need to be hosed off.